Welcome to the Safe Place Meditation. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting in a chair or laying on a bed. Gently close your eyes, relax your shoulders, and allow your body to settle. Feel the support of the chair or the mattress beneath you. I would like you to shift your focus to the breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Simply inhale and exhale. Again, inhale and exhale. With each breath, let your body relax a little more. Inhale and exhale. Try to slightly extend your exhale. It helps to deepen the relaxation. If your mind starts to wander, simply notice the thought and gently bring your focus back to the breathing. Notice the air flowing in through your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving through your mouth. And with each exhale, imagine releasing everything you no longer need. Any tension, worries, or stress, all getting out of your body. Now I would like you to imagine a place where you feel completely safe and at ease, with no bad memories associated with it. All positive emotions. This place can be real or imagined. It might be a cozy room in your home. Maybe it's a golden beach or the top of the mountain. It can be a peaceful forest or a warm cabin by the lake. This is a place that you feel safe and you can relax. And knowing no one can enter without your permission. This place belongs to you. Now explore your safe place by focusing on the details. What do you see? The color of the sky? The shape of an object? Or the way light moves in this space? Allow yourself to look around and explore the color, shape, and texture. And next, focusing on what you can hear. Maybe it's a song that you really love, or gentle waves. Maybe it's the birds singing. Also try to explore the things you can smell. Maybe the salty ocean air, or some fresh flowers or plants. It could also be the comforting scent of your favorite dish or pastry. Allow yourself to enjoy the smell. And what do you feel? Do you feel the warmth of the sunlight on your skin? Or a soft blanket wrapped around you? Let yourself fully immerse in this space. Breathe in the sense of safety and breathe out any tension. Now notice where you feel this sense of safety in your body. Maybe it's a sense of openness and warmth in your chest, or your jaw loosens and your forehead and eyebrows soften. Maybe your hands and feet feel warm and relaxed. It's a feeling of relief, as if all the tension is melting away. And let this light feeling spread gently through your body, bringing comfort and ease. Stay here for a while. Give yourself permission to take a break. Knowing that this is a place where you can return to anytime and anywhere. And when you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you, grounding yourself in the here and now. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. This safe place is always within you. No matter where you are, you can return here in just a few seconds. Thank you for participating. Hope you carry this sense of calm with you as you continue your day.